Hello my beautiful YouTube family, here are some beautiful latte art ideas for you. I hope you are going to like them. All of these are so easy to make and beautiful. I hope you are going to like them. So this one is also very easy. You can also use a toothpick or a matchstick to make this. So easy and it looks so beautiful. And it is done. You can also use different colors in whipped milk. So in the next one we are adding whipped milk and an outline of liquid chocolate. And again you can use matchstick or a toothpick to make this. And it looks lovely. So in the next one again we are using a liquid chocolate, and here we are going to make a tree. Now add whipped milk and add sprinkles. You can use sprinkles of your choice. This is so innovative and lovely and easy to make. So here we are going to make a beautiful and cute cat. This is also very easy. You can make it in just one try. Give it a try. Just look how cute it is. So in the next one again we are using whipped milk, and we are making dots with whipped milk, and the dots are getting smaller one by one. Every next dot is smaller to the former one. So again use a matchstick to make a beautiful design. It was so simple. So you can make different kinds of flowers and different designs. So here we are adding whipped milk. It is also very easy to make and it is simply done. You can use innovations of your style. This one is also very easy and very popular too. So next one is also very easy. Simply add whipped milk and make this beautiful design and enjoy your latte. It looks beautiful. So again we are adding whipped milk and add in a slower zigzag motion. and again repeat the process. Now make cute little hearts. And your beautiful design is done. Just give it a try and make it by yourself and enjoy your beautiful latte. So this one is also very similar to the designs which we have made. Just simple innovation is needed and you can make a totally new design, a new art. And this one is also really very beautiful. I hope you are going to like them all. Tell me in the comment section which was your favorite one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.